Okay, let's explore the new Canvas Commons. The Commons is a wonderful collaborative environment inside of Canvas. It serves very much like a learning object repository. And you access Commons through your Canvas instance. You log into your Canvas account and you then would access it from that top navigation bar. You see the last tab here is Commons. If you don't see it in your Canvas instance, then you need to get with your administrators so they can go ahead and get that set up with inside your institution. It was recently only beta, and now it is accessible for all Canvas users. And so what you do with Commons is you share content. You can share entire courses, import them or export them, and you can share them within just your institution, with just a small group within your institution, or you can go the other way and make them public, and any Canvas user would be able to access your content. Just as you would be able to access any content that's been shared publicly. And so if we look at importing content, if we go in the direction of importing content, you then could search several different ways to find material. So if you know you're looking for something kind of specific, a specific topic, or you know this other instructor or institution, you can kind of put that in the search bar, and that would find narrow down your search choices that way. You could also search for items shared publicly just within your institution, groups and shared spaces within your institution. For example, I've shared a course with inside groups and shared spaces within our school, and so if you were to click on that, it would narrow down to the choices that were just shared within that group. And so you could see here that you'd be able to click on this and import this course into one of your own courses. If you wanted to, if you knew you were searching for maybe some content on digital citizenship, you could go ahead and put that in, and you see here you would get access to all kinds of material, and some of them have been rated, so you know that it looks like people have thought highly of those particular courses. And then you could, if you're teaching a digital citizenship course, or you need some content into a course that you're teaching, you could import this into the course, and then you'd be able, once you do that, then you can decide if you want to delete certain items or if you want to customize them to fit your course that you've already set up, or with your institution's look, however you wanted to do that. And so again, it just really allows for a wonderfully collaborative environment to share content back and forth. And you can then also share your own content. If you want others to have access to your work, you can go ahead and do that. And that's a very easy process to do. So if you were to go into one of your courses, you would just go down to Settings, and now once you have Commons set up within your instance, and you go to Settings, you see you have a Share to Commons tab that you can click. And so if you click Share to Commons, you will then get some options to click on how you wanted to share it, where you wanted to share it. And so you put in a description, you hit your keywords, what grade levels it would be appropriate to, and so you're just helping people find it. You can select an image for your thumbprint, and then who do you want to share it with? Do you want to share it to the entire school, just kind of sub-accounts, or do you want it all Canvas users to be able to have access to it? And so again, this is something that really allows for people to work together really globally with inside the Canvas community. And so don't be afraid to share some information, even if you start just within departments within your building. or you want to go the other way and look and see what content is out there. Um, Again, it's a really good feature that has just started, and so the material will continue to increase and should provide you with some really good resources. And as you become comfortable and share yours, you'll be giving access to a lot of wonderful information to a lot of other people as well. So hopefully that helps you understand what Commons is a little bit and gives you a good starting point into exploring all that is available to you with Commons. So thank you very much, and see what you can get out of Commons.